Hello everyone, welcome to our channel MS Ukani Private Tuition. So today we are going to study about Standard 9, Chapter number 1, Number System, Exercise 1.5, Question 5. Read the question, rationalize the denominator. Okay, so let us move to the first one, that is 1 upon root 7. Now read the question, rationalize the denominator. Denominator means root 7. Okay. So here we have to write the question again and multiply the denominator on both the side. On both the side means what? In numerator also and in denominator also. Means हमको डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करना है ऊपर भी और नीचे भी, दैट इज़ न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. ओके, सो हम रूट 7 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे यहाँ पे भी और डिनोमिनेटर में भी. इसको हम बोलेंगे रैशनलाइज द डिनोमिनेटर. नाउ लेट अस डू द फर्दर स्टेप. 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय रूट 7 मीन्स रूट 7. ओके, अपॉन root 7 multiplied by root 7, as you know that root 49. Further, root 7 upon the square root of 49 is 7. So this is our final answer. Okay. So let us move to the second one. One upon root 7 minus root 6. Now again we have to multiply the denominator on numerator also and with denominator also with opposite sign. Okay, remember one thing, with opposite sign. So again we will write the question over here, 1 upon root 7 minus root 6. Now we have to multiply this denominator on numerator also with opposite sign, means root 7 plus root 6 upon root 7 plus root 6. Okay, now the next step, 1 multiplied by root 7 plus root 6 means it will be the same upon. Now let us observe the denominator. Root 7 minus root 6, root 7 plus root 6 means it is a factorization property, that is a minus b and a plus b. And you know very well that a minus b and a plus b means a square minus b square. Okay. So here we will apply the property for a square minus b square. So we will write 7 root 7 whole square minus root 6 whole square. Okay. Next step. Now again the numerator will not be solved because it is in the under root. Upon, here the square and root will be cancelled, and here also the square and root will be cancelled. So our answer will be 7 minus 6. So root 7 plus root 6 upon 1. So the final answer will be root 7 plus root 6. Okay. This is the second one. Now let us move to the third one. Third question is 1 upon root 5 plus root 2. Okay. Now we have to multiply the denominator with numerator also and with denominator also with opposite sign. Okay. So first of all I am writing here the question again. Now we have to multiply this denominator on numerator side also with opposite sign. Remember, huh? Upon root 5 minus root 2. Okay. Now we will multiply 1 with root 5 minus root 2. So our answer will be the same, that is root 5 minus root 2. We have multiplied 1 with root 5 and minus 2 whole bracket upon. Now let us see here in the denominator again root 5 plus 2 multiply by root 5 minus 2. So again we will apply the property like this for denominator a plus b or a minus b, that means a square minus b square. Okay, a square minus b square. So here in denominator we will apply the property like this, root 5 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Again numerator will not be solved because it is in the under root, and in denominator square and root will be cancelled. Here also the square and root will be cancelled. So our answer here will be 5 minus 2. Okay, again root 5 minus root 2 upon 3. So this is our final answer. Next, move to the fourth question. That is 1 upon root 7 minus 2. Okay, 1 upon root 7 minus 2. Now again first of all we will write the question over here, and we have to multiply the denominator with opposite sign on numerator side also and with denominator. So here we will put multiplication sign and we will multiply the whole denominator with opposite sign. Okay, now next step, 1 multiplied by root 7 plus 2, that is the same root 7 plus 2. Okay, upon, again see here the property root 7 minus 2 multiplied by root 7 plus 2, that means the property will be a plus b and a minus b, that means a square minus b square. Okay, this property we will use in denominator. So root 7 whole square minus 2 whole square. Again numerator will be same upon, square and root will be cancelled. Here also 2 square will be 4. Okay, so 7 minus 4. So root 7 plus 2 upon 7 minus 4, that means 3. So this is our final answer. So in this way we had calculated the question 5 for exercise 1.5, rationalize the denominator. Means one thing you have to remember, whatever the denominator is there, we have to multiply on numerator side also and denominator sign with opposite sign. Okay.